How many of you work out in your bedroom? Let's do a total body workout, okay? Let's work on your legs, your core muscles, and also your upper body. So these exercises can be done with minimal space. It's only 8 minutes long, so do it first thing in the morning and kickstart your day. So each workout will be for 45 seconds long with 15 seconds rest in between. So use the side of your bed or even your table, okay? Let's do the first workout, which is mountain climber. Keep your arms close together with your elbows pointed back, okay? We want to bring your heart rate up. Let's go. So climb, drive your knees close to your chest and bring your knees close to the bed. Very good. So tiptoe and just climb, keeping your back flat. Very good. Again, these exercises, you won't need a lot of space at all. Keep climbing, drive it in, run, okay? Run. Good. Very, very good. So remember to pace your breathing, breathe in and breathe out. This is a great workout to boost your metabolism first thing in the morning. Keep going, keep your elbows relaxed, with your shoulders relaxed. Nice. Last 2 more. And rest it out. Next workout, split lunge. Let's work on your legs. So step your right leg forward, bring your left leg back, okay? Step it wider, and we want to get into a lunge position. All right, ready? Last 2 seconds, and go. So this workout will really target on one leg at a time. Now we're working on your right leg. Go low as you can. Good. Squeeze and push up with your heels. Squeeze your glute muscles. Very good. There you go. It will also work on your balance, okay? So it's all about engaging your core muscles, look straight ahead, and find that focal point, find that balance. Very, very good. Keep going. Go low, down slow, up fast, down slow, push it up. Push using your heels. And on the second round, we want to work on the left leg. Keep going, down and up. Good. 15 seconds rest, shake it out. Now, left leg down, right leg up, okay? Find your balance, step wider if you need to, and bring your left knee down. Very good. Ready? And let's go. Down, and just relax your right leg. It's all about working on one leg at a time. And sometimes some of us might suffer from muscle imbalance. So this single leg lunge is a really good workout to target on single leg at a time. Good, keep breathing, keep your hands forward and just relax your upper body, open up your chest and stay low. Good, keep going. You should feel that your heart rate is going up right now. Breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in and breathe out as you push up. Again, push using your heels. Good, very good. Squeeze your left cheek down, control squeeze, and just rest it out. Now, bingo wings. Okay, so tricep dips, okay? Sit down, keep your elbows close, point them back all the way through. Bring your body forward, okay? You want to keep your body close to your bed or even your table. Lower down, push it up, lower down and push it up. Remember to keep your elbows close to your body, okay? Do not spread them, this is wrong. So they should always be pointed back and your body should be close to the bed, chair or table. Again, this is wrong, okay? Keep it close, keep it tight. Using your triceps, push yourself up, lower yourself down. If this is too difficult, bend your knees to begin with. Very good, so bend your knees, and this will make the workout easier. Good. As you progress, step wider, step further, down and push up with your triceps. Last one more and rest it out. Right, again on your upper body, elevator push-up. For those of you who can't do push-ups, you want to start somewhere, this is a really good starting point. Okay, so using the side of your bed, let's go. Wide arms, down and up, okay, good. Down and push up, good. So bring your chest close to the bed, down and push it up, good. And always remember, keeping your back flat, your entire body should be in a straight line, very good. Lower down, push up, down and up. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Very, very good, okay? As you progress, then you can do a full push-up on the floor. Very good. Keep going, push up, down, close, and up. Last few more, give me 2 more, okay? 1, last 1 more, down and up. Oh, now we've worked on your lower body and your upper body. Let's do some core workout, knee tucks. Again, just relax your upper body, keep them close, support your upper body, and we want to extend your legs, crunch it in, extend and crunch, okay? So gentle, easy knee tucks, all right? Bring your knees close to your chest. Very good, tuck it in. You should really feel your upper and your lower abs working at the same time. Point your toes, tuck and tuck. So lower your body down, in and out. Good, keep going, in and out, and keep breathing. The more you pace your breathing, the better you will perform at your workout. Good, keep going. Let's go, give me a few more. And rest it out. Still working on your core, bicycle crunches, okay? Right, so again, just sit right at the corner of the bed, right, hands up, all right? Point your toes, and we want to twist and work on your obliques. Ready? Shake it out a little bit, let's go. Side, twist and work on your obliques. Keep your toes pointed, twist, and reach your knee to your elbow. Good, keep reaching, keep pointing, very good. The more you twist, the more you will be working on your oblique muscles. And remember, keep your chest open. Open up your chest. Oh my God, I can really feel the burn right now. 20 seconds left. Do not stop right now, guys. It's only a 45 seconds workout for each of them. Keep going, point your toes. Give me a nice deep twist. Last 2 more. Last 1 more on each side. And rest it out. All right, we're not done yet, but the best part, just lie down on your bed. Let's work on reverse crunches, and let's really work on your lower abs, okay? You can either hold on to your bed or just keep your hands by your side, okay? Bring it up, down. If you need to, bend your knees to begin with. Bring it down and up. Very good. So it's all about engaging the lower abs, lifting your tailbone slightly off the floor. Good. Up. Straighten your legs if you want to. Up and down. Up. Keep going. This is your final workout, okay? As much as you can. Point your toes. Keep your legs straight. I know your core is burning because my core is absolutely burning. Point it. Lift your tailbone off slightly. Up, crunch, and rest it out. Just lie down on your bed, stretch it out, and breathe in. Oh my gosh. So that was a really short 8-minute workout which you can do from the comfort of your own room. All right? No excuses. A short workout is better than no workout, and you can get your workout done anywhere, no matter how small the space is. Get this workout done, like this video, share this video, tag your friends, get them to do this workout together with you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more workout challenges and also healthy recipes. Right. Hop into the shower and start your day. All the best.